Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 4.7 question number 18. A gas filled balloon has risen 100 feet. In each succeeding minute the balloon rises only 50% as far as it rose in the previous minute. How far will it rise in 5 minutes? Here a gas filled balloon has risen 100 feet. First term A1 is equal to 100. Next, in each succeeding minute the balloon rises only 50% as far as it rose in the previous minute. So it means A2 is equal to 50% of A2 is equal to 50% of 100. So percentage can also be written 1 divide 100. So 50 divide 100 multiply 100. So 100 cancel. A2 is equal to 50. Next, third term 50% of previous term, that is 50. So 50% of 50 is equal to 25. Next, third term A3 is equal to 25 and fourth term is equal to 50% of previous term, that is 25. So 50% of 25 is equal to 12.5. Hence the geometric progression is first term, that is 100, second term 50, third term 25, fourth term 12.5 up to so on. Here first term. Next, according to question, how far will it rise in 5 minutes? So n is equal to 5. A1 is equal to 100, A2 is equal to 50. So R is the common ratio between A1 and A2. So value of A2 is equal to 50 divide A1 equal to 100. 52 times 100. So R is equal to 1 divide 2 less than 1. Next, by using Sn formula, Sn is equal to A1 into Rn minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So by putting the values, n is equal to 5. So S5 is equal to value of A1 is equal to 100 into R is equal to 1 divided by 2 whole power n. So n is equal to 5 minus 1 fraction R minus 1. So R is equal to 1 divide 2 minus 1. So next, 100 into 1 power 5 is equal to 1 divided by 2 power 5 equal to 32 minus 1 divided by 1 divide 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 divide 2. So 4 8 times 32, 4 25 times 100. So 25 into minus 31 divide 8. So minus sign cancel. Take denominator form 1/2 into numerator form. 25 multiply 31 multiply 2. So 2 4 times 8. So 25 multiply 31 is equal to 775 divided by 4. S5 is equal to 193.75 feet, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.